Hi. Welcome to my repair videos. In this video I have a Samsung J4 that does not charge. It displays an error message saying unplugged charger because of high temperature. I will show you how I fix this problem. This is a common fault in Samsung J4 phones. The problem is usually around the charging port area. I see corrosion in that resistor. That corrosion is usually caused by some liquid. That resistance is connected to the test point. I remove the glue around the resistor because I need to measure continuity from the resistor to the test point. Now with the multimeter in continuity mode I check continuity from the resistor to the test point. I scratch the resistor a little bit, maybe the corrosion doesn't let the test probes make good contact. The test point is not protected by a solder mask like the traces. This test point is exposed and is a very thin layer of metal. A little bit of liquid is enough to damage it. Please focus on the image, Mr. Microscope. That test point looks broken. I scratched it gently. To fix the problem I bridge the traces on both sides of the test point. I remove the solder mask. I add a little bit of solder paste. I tin the traces with the soldering iron. Now I solder a jumper wire to connect those traces. The wire was previously tinned with solder. A better way to do this is solder one side, add solder mask and cure the solder mask before soldering the other side. I think the wire is properly soldered. I clean the area with isopropyl alcohol. Now I remove that piece of wire that is not necessary and can cause a short circuit. I add some blue solder mask liquid to protect the area. The solder mask needs to be cured with UV light. The phone is charging fine now. No more error messages. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment below if it worked for you. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.